looks a little different, it's because we've officially moved into our new house. Yes, we will be here for the long run, so buckle in. As always, there's a lot going on. The new flooring just went in and our crew is at Lowe's right now picking up the trim to finish that up today. But let me show you what I'm gonna work on. I know you haven't seen a lot of the new place. When we had the new floor put in, we went ahead and took out the vanity and the toilet because we knew we wanted something new there anyway, something with a little bit more storage. So I'm really excited to say that I am partnering with Lowe's to make this powder bathroom happen. This is our main floor powder bathroom. It's right next to my office. So we're gonna give this a little bit of a refresh, make it cute, cozy. When we bought the house, there were these two really large dolly tracks from the back room of the house that went all the way through the main level and out the front door from where they had moved a very heavy piano. We knew about that, so we kind of planned on switching the floor anyway. We did like the color of the old one, but there was just a lot of wear and tear, a lot of scratches, and we knew it wasn't gonna work for us because it was not waterproof, and it wasn't something we could fix because it was engineered hardwood. Anyway, very excited with the light and bright now, and very excited that I have a delivery from Lowe's coming so that we can replace the vanity in this room, get some more storage in here, get a fresh and clean toilet that's easier to take care of, and just make this space our own. When we moved in, these walls were navy and we had them painted Urbane bronze from Sherwin, which you can find at Lowe's, along with this really pretty peel and stick wallpaper. I love the plaid look, but I think it'll be nice to have some of the light on the ground and on the ceiling, along with this dark line to tie it into the walls. I have never wallpapered a ceiling, so wish me luck. It should only be like 3 strips. I feel like I'm gonna be sore tomorrow anyway. Where should we start? I have no idea how this is gonna go, but it feels like a hair up activity.
Okay, while you're watching me put this wallpaper up, I cannot believe how quickly this powder bathroom came together. It was really a weekend project. We squeezed it in the middle of doing so many other things, but Lowe's made that so easy to do. We were able to do free store pickup as well as same day delivery. So we had that toilet and we had the vanity dropped off at our house. That's really what's been getting us through this move. We've had so many items, so many large items delivered to the house from Lowe's because they make it so easy. We don't have to figure out what vehicle we're gonna bring everything home in. So we had all of our trim dropped off. Like I said, you can do that same day delivery for eligible in-stock items when you order by 2 p.m. So that's been really handy for us. Also, they have a low price guarantee. So you can find competitive prices every day, both online and in the store. I did go a little crazy and picked up a few items to decide which one I liked better here. Of course, while I'm doing something, I had Nick put together this shelf, which I don't think I'm actually gonna end up using, but I am gonna put it into my office later. He's also our resident plumber, so he'll come in very handy later with the vanity and the toilet, but here is what the ceiling's looking like.
My neck is only a little sore. Now we're gonna clean this up so that I can get in here and finish up the trim, and then we will move on to vanity. All right, the vanity is here. It just got dropped off directly in our garage, which is really nice because we didn't have to figure out a way to get it here. They also dropped off our brand new toilet. This is the super clean one, which has a smooth side, so that cleaning is really easy, but it also has a lid that is slow close and it pops off for easy cleaning, so you can get those parts around the top where it is normally very hard to clean.
I can't tell you how excited I am for the vanity. I've had it in my cart for so long, so when I realized that we needed to put a new one into this bathroom, I didn't have to think about it. I literally just picked a few items to match it. This was the faucet that I found online to go really well with the handles of the vanity. I'm saying how good it would look to have a gold faucet in the kitchen, which is what I want to do eventually. But Nick was saying how easy this was to install. It was not like another one he had put in before. It kind of just like clicked into place. So 10 out of 10 recommend this faucet. An absolutely gorgeous spring day and we are walking into Lowe's. I want to stop over in the flower section, but we do need to pick up a few more things for the bathroom. We are looking at light fixtures. I like this one, but I don't think it's bright enough. I also like this one, but I think it's slightly too modern. Also a big fan. I think I'm gonna go with this one though, because it has a little bit of the modern and a little bit of like something funky. And there's one left, which means it's for me. You know me, I got a rug problem. Completely unrelated, but I found these scallop edge runners, which are so cute. And I want one either for the kitchen or for like the door to our outside. I think I'm gonna grab one and put that there because that's gonna be so cute. The spring, I love a watermelon rug. That's so cutie. Doesn't go with the bathroom, but they do have some fun spring things. Of course, we've got to stock the bathroom. Again, not what we came for, but I do feel like we need a place to rock. And we get this whole thing for $500. I also love this. We need to figure out furniture for our back patio now that we have that area with the little fireplace. Holy hydrangeas. Should we get these? Can I take care of them? I'm here in the shelf aisle, but they do have some baskets. And I kind of feel like the toilet paper rolls would fit in this on the shelf. Very cute baskets though. Here's the before of the towel holder. Nothing crazy, but I just want it to match a little better. Okay, love this one. Very pretty. Now you can see what the room used to be, a navy color. So I need to sand this a little bit and get the paint, but it's down in the basement. And the toilet paper roll. I lost one of my slippers, which is why you should be wearing shoes. Okay, now I need your opinion. I'm in the final stages of just adding all the little details. I bought this at the beginning and I love this shelf, but I'm a little bit worried because the color is more brass than it is gold, and we have like the gold fixture. And that I might just put a piece of art there eventually because I also don't want it to feel crowded in here. We don't need a shelf in here now that we have the storage and the vanity. It's just decorative. I feel like it needs to be a little lower. It would be probably here. And then I guess we could like lean artwork up here. Let's do the mirror and the light now though. On the plus side, it looks like the light fixture is a perfect match. I think this is gonna look really pretty. It goes really well with the walnut and the marble. That's perfect. Whoever hung this light fixture hung that light fixture because that was very well wired and attached. Are we gonna get lucky? Is this gonna cover the paint? Probably not. There's no way. But that's okay because we already have to get the paint out for all the other spots that we are gonna have to paint. We gotta get this light up and then hopefully the mirror before I have to run out the door because we are doing this in the middle of life. You can kind of squeeze a project in the little gaps that you have time. Okay, all I have are these ones, which are kind of ugly because I feel like they need to be clear if they're going to be standing out in this light fixture. I'm going to put them in for now and just see what the color looks like. Wow, that looks really good though. Like the bathroom down here looks great. This is the best partner in every single project. This is my laser level. I have it on a tripod here. That's what it looks like. You just turn this on and adjust it to the height you need, and you can get your fixtures, anything that you're hanging, perfectly level. We leave it on here all the time because we hang so many different things. Love this guy. I'll link it down below as well. Level is going off now though because everything is in now, unless I want to do the shelves, which we don't actually need. I'm going to think about it. I might just put a piece of art there now. I'm going to look around and see if I can find anything in the house that I like and show you it all finished and styled up. But it is looking so much better already. Just had to figure out what's gonna go over here. The bathroom is officially done. I'm gonna pull out my fancy camera though so I can show you how good it actually turned out in 3, 2, 1. This is the one before clip that I could find that I took during our inspection of the house. You can see the old floor, the old trim there, and just how much different it looks now. Everything in this bathroom just feels so much more elevated and warm and cozy. It all flows together. I love that the wallpaper on the ceiling kind of ties the lightness of the floor in, but also has a little bit of the dark. Obviously obsessed with the countertop, the Vanity. You can shop all your home needs using Lowe's new finds in my description, and the link is in the bio. Time for a little tour of the bathroom. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Obviously, I think our showstopper main feature of it all is this beautiful Vanity. It looks so good in here. I love that we went with a dark, moody vibe in here to kind of offset the light brightness of the rest of the house. But it's really fun, and I love having this right off of my office. Got the gorgeous Vanity, and then all of the gold fixtures and the faucets. There's a couple little hidden things that I do need to come back and paint in here. But I love how this light turned out. And then of course up top, we can't forget the beautiful wallpaper. I do think I want to add some crown molding in here. It's so pretty, it's so cozy, it's a good vibe. I found these that I had left over from the old house that kind of moved with us, and I like the way that they tie in the wood and the metals and everything here. We did swap out the toilet paper holder, so nobody has an excuse to not change the toilet paper roll, because that is the easiest one to put on. Second favorite feature in the bathroom, besides just the whole vibe, the toilet. This is our favorite, American Standard, easy to clean because of the sides right here, wipe off. This is clean, so I can touch it. You press these buttons right here, lid pops off, lid comes up. You can clean every part of the toilet very quickly, very easily. And of course, it's a little bit taller. There's a reason that Nick has installed 13 of these toilets across all of our homes. One last look at it coming off the stairs. That is it for the Moody Powder Bathroom Makeover. Thanks again to Lowe's for partnering up with me on this. Let me know in the comments which room I should go to next and add some moodiness into. I'm loving the vibe in here. If we could bring that into some other spaces in the house, it's really fun. I will link everything down below in the description for all the things I used in here. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning, happy DIY.